Hi friends and family, and welcome back to another unboxing. If you're new here, my name is Jen. On this channel we do beauty and makeup subscription unboxings, mystery unboxings, and now we are doing clothing hauls. So if you are interested, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. Also hit the notification bell because I am having a part 2 of the Shein haul coming soon, so make sure that you hit the bell for that. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Today we're going to be unbagging the Ipsy Glam bag, just a regular $12 a month bag. You get 5 items. Sometimes they're full size, mostly they are deluxe sized items. And this is a really good subscription because like I said, it's only $12 a month, and it just has such a good variation of items. Super cute bag, always included, and I think it's pretty good for the value. So here is this month's bag theme. It looks really cute because we have these little lips as a zipper, so that's adorable. Adorbs. And then here is a sneaky peek. So on this, you do get the little card, and in here you do get a list of the items in your bag with the prices. The only bummer about this is they give you the full size pricing rather than the deluxe. So I kind of do my best guesstimate on the pricing for these guys, and I will put that for you at the end. But let's go ahead and check out our first item. Is Salt Body Scrub, Gray Sea Salt and Bamboo Charcoal. So I've been wanting to try something like this for a really long time. It says exfoliation, a must in any good skincare routine. Oh, it says tip, dealing with dry heels. This scrub is ideal for sloughing off dry skin and stubborn calluses. Ooh, the full size price of this is $24. Again, I will figure all that out with the amount of product that we have here. It is sealed, but I'm okay opening these because these only last a few rounds. So here is what that scrub looks like. And let me go ahead and put that on thy skin for you. And there is what that looks like on the skin. It is very thickening. It doesn't really have a smell to it, but yeah, it looks like it's gonna get the job done just because look how thick the scrub in here is. So yeah, I'm interested to try this. I will do my best to put on Instagram my follow-up to this. I have been so busy doing clothing hauls that I haven't been able to just keep up with posting every day. It's a busy job, you guys. I mean, it's so much fun though. Like, I totally still just enjoy doing it. So yes, there's that guy. Next in line is this Tatcha the Water Cream. Now, I've heard people say really good things about this brand, so I'm super excited to try this. I don't know what it does. It says, tip, pop this cream in your fridge. It'll feel extra refreshing and calm. Oh, it'll feel extra refreshing and calm puffiness when you apply. So this one's a lightweight cream with botanicals and all of that stuff. So, oh, that smells very nice. A very nice cream. I can see why it's called watery, or like water, because it is very lightweight. You probably really can't see it on the camera. You know, it has a little bit of a gel texture, which I'm not a huge fan of, but again, I've heard very good things about this product or this brand, so I am going to give it a try. Plus, I am almost out of my Murad cream, so yeah. This full-size version is $68. This is obviously the deluxe size. Let's see what else we got going on. Okay, feel. I do like this brand. I have tried this, not this particular, but the brand. It was pretty good. I had very good experience with it. This one is the 4D Hyaluronic Acid Under Eye Cream. I'm always happy to try under eye creams because, again, I get my eczema under there in those areas. This one says, use your finger to gently pat a small amount around your entire eye area. Full size is $45. This is a deluxe size. So, of course, it's sealed. Let's go ahead and open her up and do the dang thing. Let's see if it'll open. Remember that commercial? I think Mervyn's. Mervyn's don't exist anymore. All right, here is that cream. Doesn't have a huge scent. I mean, it does smell very clean. It sort of also has a gel texture, but it does feel very good and refreshing on the skin, so I like that. Let's see, let's keep on keeping on. All right, then we have, oh, I love Nomad. OMG. Yes. Let's see what this is here. Nomad Cosmetics, Sydney Bather's Kiss of Sun Highlighter in Balmoral Beach. So it comes in this cute little little palette, compact, and it is this gorgeous color here. Oh man, these things are just so amazing. Like, the pigment on these is just unbelievable. See, look at that. Look at that. Oh man, like this, I could see this coming from a mile away being a good product. So the full size of this is $27. It says, you know, sweep the highlighter onto the high points of your face, like your nose, cheekbones, and Cupid's bow. So yeah, love. I think that one's going to be my favorite product. Then we have this Pacifica Wild Hemp eyeshadow palette. I think this was my choice item for some reason. I can't really remember, you guys. My days and nights have just all blended together recently. So, you know, I'm just trying to keep it straight, man. So look at how cute it comes in this cute little purple hemp colored box. Well, with little hemp leaves on it. I like Pacifica. They have really nice things for affordable prices. So yeah, oh, look at how cute this is. This is so old school. It has like the cute little brush, or the little padded brushes. You know, you remember those applicators from back in the day. Back in the day cafe. But look at how pretty these colors are. I really like those. Let's go ahead and we'll do these two on the side. We'll see what that does on thy skin. Oh yeah, okay, those swatched really nice. Like I said, Pacifica is such a great price for the quality of the product. So yeah, I'm very happy to get this. This I'm hoping is a full-size item. Nope, this is also a deluxe size sample, and full size is $10. So I'm sure this, if the full size was $10, I'm sure this is only a couple of bucks, but wow, what a great deal. Like I said, all of this stuff for $12, and even though they are deluxe size, they're still like, this is a great size. You can definitely get an idea or a feel for if you're going to like that, as well as all of the beauty products. So let's do our recap. We got the Pacifica Wild Hemp Infused Eyeshadow Palette. We got the Nomad Highlighter. We've got this Feel Hyaluronic Under Eye Cream. We've got this Black Sea Salt Body Scrub. And we also got the Tatcha Water Cream. So yeah, and this is what I was saying in my last, the Chic Beauty Box unboxing, is that, see here, we got 3 beauty products and only 2 makeup items. Like, I prefer the makeup items more than the facial creams just because we get so many of them. Like, yeah, we get a lot of eyeliners eyeshadow and highlighters, but I like having a variety. I like mixing and matching. So I would prefer to get makeup over this stuff, but this was still a really good bag. And like I said, I'm interested in trying out a couple of these items. So, we'll see. We will see. So again, I will put the pricing along as we go, as well as the total value of our bag. So let me know what you guys thought, if you got the same variation or what you would like to try. And those type of things. I will also put a link down below. This is not sponsored. It is a paid for bag. So please consider like, comment, and subscribing, and have a great evening, friends and family. Bye.